Engineering teams are adopting AI coding tools incredibly fast. The problem is that most leaders still don't really know what those tools are doing to the engineering system. Adoption is easy to measure. Actual impact is much harder. ChaosMonkey starts with telemetry from the development environment itself. Here I've got roughly 2,000 sessions across multiple AI coding workflows: Devin, VS Code, Cursor, Claude Code, and Copilot. But the raw telemetry isn't really the product. ChaosMonkey turns it into findings an engineering leader can actually use. For example, here the dominant workflow shifted from VS Code to Devin across the observed history. We can also look inside a workflow. Here, higher intensity cursor sessions show a materially different focus profile from non-AI sessions. That doesn't mean AI caused the difference. It tells me this is something worth investigating. And cost is part of the same decision. Here, the configured cost per active coding hour is about 3 times higher for VS Code than Devin. These are configured estimates, not billing data, but now an engineering leader can put usage and cost in the same conversation instead of treating them separately. Once I see something interesting, I can drill into the underlying evidence. Productivity by tool lets me compare workflows over time, change the metric, isolate workflows and repositories, and layer in configured cost. The goal isn't to tell a company that Cursor is better than Devin, or that AI makes developers 10 times faster. It's to give engineering leaders a neutral measurement layer for a tool chain that is changing constantly, so they can see what's actually happening and decide what to do next. That's ChaosMonkey. Gain insight into how your development team is leveraging AI coding tools by requesting access at ChaosMonkey.dev.